It's going to set a new world record of how to put a roof on a vitara. It's not an SLK, but it'll be done in 2 seconds. Yeah, well, I've gained a year now. I haven't got a clock, but we're going to do this just because, well, that's it. I don't know. We have to actually look it up. What's the record to put a roof on? And hello? All right. Oh, he's getting there. He's getting there. Oh, he's getting there. Three hours later. Oh no, he's failing. He's failing. He's failing. He's joking. He's trying to make this as smooth as possible. It's not happening, is it, Zane? Nah. It's not happening, is it? Oh no, Evie's failing the test. I don't know if this is quite classed as in, but you know, he's trying, he's trying, he's trying. Inside yet? Get into the buckles inside. Look, look. Hold on, just pop in, mate.
It's the safest convertible ever.
Yeah, barely anyone can nick this car. Hello? Are you in there?
See it, so you can hear me.
Are you done?
No.
Oh, you ain't put the buckles in the middle yet? You ain't done this bit yet?
I haven't done the lot of things yet.
Oh, God. It's done in 5 minutes, isn't it, Evie?
Oh my God.
6 minutes and 30 seconds, it's the record. Oh no, I think he might, oh no, he's got it, he's got it. How what time are we up to, Evie? 6 minutes and 43 seconds. time, Evie? What's time? 8 minutes and 16 seconds. Come on! He's winning! He's winning! Go straight down. Yeah! No! Yay! What's time? Done? Done. What time? 8 minutes and 55 seconds. That's how you do a convertible, guys. Is that a record? Are we going out as a record?
Must be.
World record from Zane.
Yeah.